Morning, guys. It's an early morning here in Gothenburg. I luckily got Tagene wheel alignment to give me an early scheduled time today, so I can do it before work. So I'm here by myself now. I'm going to try to get this loaded on the trailer safely. It's ice outside, so hopefully we can do it without crashing into something. Bit stressed to make it out there before work, so I'll get to work immediately. Well, now we're back at now we're here at Tagene Hjulinställning. So he's gonna help us just check over the wheel alignment to make sure everything is okay, or maybe we found out that something has changed dramatically since the crash there at the Christmas video. So hopefully it's nothing major. We did see a big play in probably the tie rod, but hopefully it's just it doesn't matter that much now. We're not looking for a perfect alignment, just to check for big differences, so it's gonna be good. Now we discussed the rear axle a bit, the rear suspension that we talked about earlier. Have some ideas we're going to try for next season, and the front doesn't seem to have changed that much, so looks like we made it out okay after the crash, so that's good. I'm going to check with the old papers to make sure, but all the values we saw now looks good, so yeah, time to get to work. Thank you, Thomas.